First, the top news headlines. Tribal body imposes 24-hour total shutdown on national highways. Man shot to death at Imphale's Lamphel supermarket. And Desam demands stern action against all culprits in question paper leak scam. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Khungbantabang giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The Manipur Tribal Indigenous Farmers Committee MTIFC has imposed a 24-hour total shutdown on national highways connecting Manipur from 1 a.m. today. The strike is in protest against the Manipur government's decision to re-engage retired Chief Engineer L. Brajendra Singh as the Chief Engineer cum Technical Consultant of Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills, the committee said. Talking to media persons, MTIFC President R.A. Fernandez appealed to the authorities to maintain sincerity in their conduct and withdraw the decision. A 47-year-old man was shot to death over a reported land dispute at Lamphel supermarket in Imphal West in the early hours of the morning. The deceased has been identified as Kabrabam Syam, son of Kameshwar Singh of Uripo Kabrabam Likai, Imphal. Reportedly, Syam left home at around 4 a.m. for a morning walk with one Yumnam Nilachandra of Uripo Kabrabam Likai. On the way, one Premjit, who is said to be a contractor from Uripo Bachespati Likai, shot Syam in the head with a licensed gun at Lamphel supermarket. Syam succumbed to his injuries at the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Lamphel. Police have arrested accused Premjit in connection with the fatal shooting incident, the report said. Meanwhile, condemning the brutal murder of Kabrabam Syam, a joint action committee JAC formed against the murder staged a sit-in protest today at Uripo Kabrabam Likai, Imphal West. Talking to TOMTV, co-convener of the JAC Haisnam Silhan Singh expressed concern over the increasing cases of shooting incident in the state. He urged the authority to conduct proper verification before issuing licensed guns to anyone. He then demanded quick justice for the victim.
Joint Action Committee da koi tiliba miyam singda la le haiba akoi swaina soi hibadagi BSC upload tawuni haiba wafam se koi thamaningi marmaduna mathang dadi akoi gi koi social media singna thok triba thokdok aidi kari kamai tawna thoibino haibana singba si khangdringai da tongan sandokpiba asumba ke amaruma koi mamang da su thokpigre matung da masungba thokdok si thoktana bagdamakta koi gi Facebook ki page da de social media singna madungba upload to mathong marum khangdabida upload tawbigino haiba sim takan thamjage.
Thangmaibam United Club TUC also organized a sit-in protest today at Lamphel supermarket to condemn the brutal murder of Kabrabam Syam. Talking to TOMTV, TUC Assistant Secretary Ilangbam Joy Kumar said that illegal vendors in the area have created serious issues. He said that the club will take up every step to stop such illegal activities in the area.
Dagi lambi chat pe yada nupi angang bhawa khoi gi ikai hangoin ha da mapan thok lambi mapan an pan thoksan ba dagi mi gi thonga nei pan thoksan ba mayam sina harga nupi angang chat pangamak ta ba mayam si khoi thameng tai club amadi laikai akai ani nang anak pa lalamung takrim ga youth development organization latido amadi laikai dugi mayra pa bi loina na thaim ban united youth club amadi mayra pa bi ga phucham na duna khoi UC tingjal si haidana khoi phire si lawjabani.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam has lodged a complaint with Manipur Cybercrime Unit in connection with Class 10 and Class 12 question paper leakages. Alliance Secretary General Laisang Them Lamyanba blamed some unfaithful teachers for the question paper leakages, saying that these two examinations were smoothly conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur and Board of Secondary Education Manipur. He further appealed to the Manipur government to hold a cabinet meeting within 3 days and take stern action against all wrongdoers within 15 days. Leisang Them Lamyanba further said that Desam and Apunba Ireipa Mahiroi Singh Panglup Ames will not remain mum over the matter. He said the student bodies will launch agitation if the government fails to take action against all culprits in the question paper leak scam.
Kunai kanana bu khonalak pamatamda Manipur gi mahiroi sing Manipur gi oja sing amadi Manipur gi miyam punamak na amatoina lemin na hauda bataragadi aikhoi gi kunai pungmun mut khagani ngasi ma Smile Sorak Liba question leak or Basing Naching Basing as a Masiki Damakta, the Sam Amadi Ems that has a Tamduna Pau, Pibi Liba Quai Punama Pusu, the Sam Amadi Emski, my taking and Qualit and Tagats of a Fondoxari, Miam Tambiri but Hazaba Dumasu, Equi Manhan, the Nanabagi Damakta, Chap Chaba Kontansing, Aduma Pakatsa Kigani, Maramaduna Makata Patasu, Aduma Pau, Pibi and Nabagi Damaktasu, Aduma Haizari.
The Village Defence Force VDF today observed its 11th Raising Day across Manipur. Thobal District VDF Welfare Association marked the day during a function at SP Office Complex, Thobal. Thobal Superintendent of Police Dr. S. Ibomcha, Sub-Divisional Police Officer Yairipok Lensong Haukep, Nongpok Sekmai Police Station Officer in charge Kaisam Prem Kumar Mangang, Yairipok Police Station Officer in charge Riazuddin Shah and other police officials were present at the occasion. Addressing the function, SP Dr. S. Ibomcha lauded VDF personnel for performing their duty well. He appealed to VDF not to call ban and other strikes over any issue. He said that the VDF welfare fund amount has been increased from Rs 1 lakh to Rs 1.05 lakh.
We discussion ji tawra matungda we decision ji namwa we lepa darka hoy karigumba amagisu ekoina discuss tawdinga da ek ban tawgani strike tawgani haiba sugumba se Yariki Topiu, whenever Pegi, Rominasu, Maquena, Hibasundu, I am Batabidi.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Adom ki angang na school da kari tawri, oza na kari takpiri, yum da giyama di office da giyam na line live class yengba yaraba status agi ahan ba school and day care, tiny fit ki oina admission hauzare. Backless school, CCTV camera, safe and secure. Healthy breakfast and lunch at school. Highly qualified and caring staff. Creative activities and educational games. Interactive learning through music and movement. 50% less on admission fee for the first 20 students. Contact Tiny Feet, Malom Bazar, Tuliyaima.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam Langjing Achoba Imphal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi B.SC Agriculture, B.SC Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBNE. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi hauzaragani. Aku pamarol gidamak ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhogi phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tawiyo.
Senior for Senior Care Medline Home Health Care Service na ahal singidamak paket chaba thaurang ama oina Senior for Senior Care haiba thaurang asigidamak ahang ba form khara kaujuri masida masagi sahi kunthra manga dagina yankhai manga fawgi manungda leiba class 10 pass tauraba thawai yawba nupa amadi nupi singna apply tobiba yagani on job training oina 3 months training tauraba matungda Medline Home Health Care Service ta thabak tawba yabagi khudong chabasu pijari masida sarv gyabiningba miyoi singna satliba tha asigi tara fawbagi manungda ahongai leirak near Jenims Hospital Porompata leiba Medline Head Office ta lakpiduna application form lobiba yagani amadi akupa marol gidamak tanabiu.
Welcome back after the break. Kakching District VDF Welfare Association Kakching Manipur organized the 11th Rising Day of Village Defence Force VDF at District Police Headquarters Kakching. Kakching District Superintendent of Police Victoria Yengkom, Additional Superintendent of Police Law and Order Lukomang Khongsai, All Manipur VDF Welfare Association President Moirangthem Amuthoy and spokesperson of the association Maisnam Sadananda attended the event. Tributes were paid to 3 late VDF personnel of the district on the occasion. Addressing the gathering, SP Victoria Yengkom urged that both VDF and police should work together with dedication.
yamna phaba si lady ba seng asi koi Kaching district na yamna ling na leiba ngama igi su ai gi VDF changa ma thakta leiba se sigi yam chawra contribution play traffic to oigera akhoi reserve line da loigera outpost oigera police station da oigera cycle patrolling unit to oigera community policing da oigera nekhoi gi yam chawra ba thodang lei adu ngasi mai pa ibesu na khoi ni hainingi.
Jiribam VDF Welfare Association, Jiribam organized the 11th Foundation Day of VDF today at Jiri Police Station. Superintendent of Police Jiribam M. Mubi Singh, Sub-Divisional Police Officer T.H. Sanatomba Singh, Jiribam VDF Welfare Association President O. Visambhor Singh and Secretary of the Association L. Santazid attended the function.
Atopa civil department organization gi mating pangba nation gi thawdok wathok function kaya da nakoi lori role masi punama se ahak ki oinadi district si gi oinadi ai le khwai digi tasing namak nakoi bai hangna haininga letena thagatpa se ahak ki thamoi da phaujaba mafam amani.
The All Tribal Rights Protection Forum Manipur ATRPFM expressed displeasure over the decision of the State Cabinet to postpone the Autonomous District Council ADC election. The ADC election was supposed to be held in May or June this year, but the government has postponed it to November after request from the Tribal Affairs and Hills Department. ATRPFM President Joseph Rongmei told media at the forum office at Nagaram today. He questioned the motive of the government behind the postponement of the election. Joseph appealed to the state government to withdraw the recommendation for conduct of the election in the month of November and hold the election in April or May.
Cabinet decision review in the month of May or June, public
And investors met on various inconveniences faced by investors of Smart Society under Salai Holdings Private Limited was held today at lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound, Imphal. The meet was organized by Smart Members Welfare Association. Smart Members Welfare Association President N. Bijoy, Association members I. Gohan and T. Nabachandra attended the meet. Association General Secretary Wahengbam Joykumar said that since the state government sealed the Smart Society on October 29 this year, uncertainty hangs over a large number of investors. He added, the meeting discussed ways to approach the government for reopening Smart Society.
Yumda Salaga, Patana Potaba, Togini Sapa China, Salakba, Adi Akoidasu, later go, was up the Kangi, the Kangi, I put the point of the Kangi, Zaki Wahise, Moise Haideba, Mamdi Sagi, Pashazi, Zara and Piramadu, Pirakta Banina, Adigmatic Awabas and Quay later, Maduna, Equidimasi, Gamutam the crime Tolaga Traina Koyam Sati, Mamako Power, Aduna Siko, Jeremy from Nigeria, investor Kudima in the Tapana Labiu. Adugamase, Equi, Pazana Masiki, Waro, Shilama Puraganda, Mayang, Awabas in dog, Gribans in the Pazana, the rest on Nabakoi, government, the Pazana Taximinazi, Hyber Wapam do Asi before the
Sanamahi Lining Loop convener Mutum Churamani today said that a public meeting will be held at Ima Kuntokhanbi Sanglen Imphal on April 12th next to discuss the matter concerning inclusion of Sanamahi religion in the minority religion list. Apart from demand of separate census code, during a press meet at Manipur Press Club Imphal, Churamani urged all concerned to conduct a proper survey of the number of families following Sanamahism during the upcoming socio-economic survey on April 15 next. He said that the organization will extend all possible help in the survey in case the state government gives permission.
Machine thiba chatliba mi singdunasu mi dugi apambado madu open waina thamoi sengna Hakting na wari sarga unarakanda na koi lining kari chatli sanamahi latlibra sanamahi thamibra haibanu chingba wafamje hangbirakanda thamoi sengna midana khumapado madu magi khotpham phokka document da magi data singduda survey tawbu matamda tawbiyu haibasima ai government gi maruina department na tharaga chatkadoriba mi singduda aikoi appeal tawjari.
New office bearers of Mitei Irol EX Silol Apunbalop Milal today took oath at the Royal Palace. Milal President Yanglem Piren said that the organization has played a major role in promoting and preserving the original Meitei Mayek or script. He said that Milal has urged the state government to replace the word written in Bengali with written in Meitei Mayek in the Manipur Official Language Act 1979. However, the government has failed to meet the demand. He lamented.
Work Pasa, a quaggy Mite make a quina, Senja Milagi, Macadi, Yamno Noitaba Poi, Madam di Masagi, Mayana Ijaraga, Masagi Lona Ijaraga, a sheep Hobada, was select or Pataragadi, a top subject Kayasing the day. Kaya Yam Lik wearing whether I have a Aquina Yamno Nunama Pawi, Aduna, Marie, never sing a ticket Piraga, Harry Pasanga say, Maquigi, Jarak Bibu, Luna, Harry exam say, Narang talking about quick MLG exam say, Massi Atuba, Massi Milagi, Macadi, Hanbapam Jehena, Miam the Pongdoxer.
A 3-day state-level training program for trade union activists organized by Rural Pioneer Services RPS from March 4th concluded at RPS Conference Hall, Bishnupur today. Education Director of National Board for Workers, Government of India, MN Salam, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, Boyce Misau, Secretary Rural Pioneer Services and Arun Kumar attended the program. Altogether, 30 selected women from different districts of the state participated in the program. A 2-day 20th General Council meeting of the Centre of Medical and Sales Representatives Union North East Region has kick-started at GM Hall, Imphal today. President CRU NER Imphal M. Dilip Kumar said that the General Council meeting is being organized to discuss various issues and hardships faced by the medical representatives.
Shape guard shape Tabakingche, Yamoire, which sales promotion employee ex Makada. And Mayamse, Ojergasu, Automotobagas employers in the Mud Piba, the state government and Kambidaba, Aduga, Sumba, Queta Kudongchado, Mayam Tui, Adumayam Dugi, Kangdo Mayam Do, Kanganava, and Naki members in Manipur Labor, medical Mayamgi, members in Ship, Anubasu, Aribasu, Mayama Maki Union Yaudabina, Kangdo Mayam lady, Makuchina, Kanganava.
Ahead of Yausang Festival, massive anti-liquor drives were carried out in Jiribam district yesterday. A large quantity of illicit liquor, including Indian-made foreign liquor (IMFL), was seized. Jiribam district police handed over the seized liquors to Excise Department, which was later destroyed. A team of Bishnupur police, including women police personnel led by District Superintendent of Police Priya Darshini Laisram, yesterday busted 10 illegal liquor factories at Nachok Chingdong Chothemakha of the district. The team also arrested 9 people. In connection with the upcoming International Women's Day on March 8, a screening camp for breast cancer, cervical cancer and other diseases was held today at Ima Market, Imphal. The medical camp was jointly organized by Manipur Nursing Council, Community Health Officer, Health and Wellness Center and different nursing institutes. At the event, Manipur Nursing Council Registrar Khundrakpam Ratna underlined on the need for every woman to have regular health checks.
Mapanda Lady Bamaro and Ima Market Ladies in Say I am and Nupi Actani, Nupi Sing health awareness and production but the gay. I on behalf of Manipur Nursing Council Saramoina, Manipur Lady Nursing Fraternity representative Mayam say, Puno organized Oroga, High Numini, when celebrate Ozabani, Nupi Sing Oiba, oral hygiene matanga, any kind of cancer hybatare. Sin manungda mauta labor sing to detect on Nanabagi Pandam da when a sig is a pang
breast examination, the when symptoms were gonna like any distress, any lump labra, pombra, natural skin changes like bra, Asumba Kogi nurse fraternity meamsina, detect obiba, mobu screen to Pirahana, Mangzona, Kando piba, Adia Manunda Haraga, any ulcer labra, redness labra, Adimadu hill to the Bapomba labra, Adumina, when a Kando piba, Adagam cervical cancer, Hagana, when a VIA. visual inspection with acetic acid and acetic acid mahi ama sizinaraga koina cervix se yengaga magi angang khau machin si pharibra haina koina screen tawthopiba aduda screen tawrena heta positive oire habana te moi bu hana refer tha thabiraga chekin thorang lognaba lifestyle kari da modify tawsige aduga kari initiative lawkhatsige as a nurse ama oina akoina si sinjabani.
Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing ama chawpat marifom doi ki hona chai kuntra manga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ine lereklaba Nauka gi info center ma hangjare TV ma phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fum na tabang ngam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al koding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic tanga simak lengsin direktuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable oidaba digital hearing aid hapiu tar ngam gi pangal wala badom gi khang chana ba single power se tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009545159.
Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1 within Imphal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2 outside Imphal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3 outside Imphal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 1800-1027959 or 8794-613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir. Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Welcome back. Community Health Officer M. Ranita said that besides screening cervical cancer and breast cancer, the women were also made aware about these ailments. Curfew has been relaxed in Meghalaya capital Shillong and other places today. Curfew was relaxed in Police Bazaar area bounded by Quinton Road to Umsosun Bridge and Kindai led to GS Road, Bachir Road junction from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. today, according to media reports. And curfew in Barabazar areas, Paltan Bazaar, Gibston, Modfran and whole of cantonment areas has been relaxed from 5 a.m. to 1 p.m. Similarly, in Sela, the relaxation of curfew is from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Meanwhile, unknown miscreants burned down a truck at Mazai under Sela police station in the wee hours of Friday. The truck loaded with stone boulders was parked in the area. The truck bearing registration number MZ 8085 belonged to one Ashok Chanda, a resident of Bholaganj. As the world fights the novel coronavirus, total cases rose to 97,510, including 3,345 deaths across 85 countries by Thursday. While Britain recorded its first death with the total number of confirmed cases jumping to 115. Cases continue to surge in the US. The World Health Organization has appealed to the people to pull out all the stops to slow the epidemic. With a new case in Ghaziabad, India's COVID number reached 30 on Thursday. All primary schools in Delhi will remain closed till March 31st to prevent the possibility of spread of coronavirus. Both houses also held discussions on the outbreak of coronavirus on Thursday. The Indian government, meanwhile, has said efforts are being made to facilitate the return of stranded Indians from Iran. External Affairs Minister Jay Shankar on Thursday said a medical team was reaching Iran to set up its first clinic at Qom to start screening for coronavirus. The isolated Himalayan kingdom of Bhutan has reported its first case of the coronavirus after a US terrorist tested positive, the Prime Minister said Friday. The death toll in China's novel coronavirus outbreak has touched 3,042, with 30 new fatalities, while the confirmed cases have risen to 80,552 amid signs that the dreaded COVID-19 was stabilizing, including in the epicenter Hubei province. Parliamentary proceedings were repeatedly disrupted this week as members from opposition parties demanded a debate on the Delhi riots, in which 53 people were killed. The government, on its part, says it's ready for a discussion after Holi. That's according to the Lok Sabha Speaker. Members in both houses discussed India's response to the coronavirus outbreak after briefing from Harshvardhan yesterday. The Central Health Minister. In the afternoon, 7 Congress MPs were suspended from the Lok Sabha for the remainder of the budget session after they snatched papers from the Speaker's table. The Rajya Sabha has been adjourned till March 11. House Chairman and Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu, has asked the government and opposition to figure out a solution to the current logjam. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, a few surprises were in store from the Indians as well as the Croatians when the teams announced their final nominations for the Davis Cup World Group Qualifier, which began today. Ahead of the draw ceremony yesterday, the Croatian team's top doubles player, world number 10 Ivan Dogdic, was forced to withdraw due to a hand injury, but the host had an able replacement in world number 32 Franco Skugor, who will team up with world number 10 Matt Pavic in the doubles rubber. According to media reports, the duo will take on India's doubles specialist Rohan Bopanna and Leander Paes, who was picked over India's number 2 Diviz Saran. 30th Annual Sports Meet 2020 of Progressive English School has begun today at Education Enhancement Organization EEO Lumding Ground. The sports meet began with school advisor Y. Themboy Singh unfurling the school flag. Students took out a torch rally the opening ceremony. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Tribal body imposes 24-hour total shutdown on national highways. Man shot to death at Imphal's Lumfield supermarket. And Desam demands stern action against all culprits in question paper leak scam. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.